SoSoValue's Airdrop Season 2 has just wrapped up and Season 3 is now live. And if you participated in Season 2, there is a special date in June that you do not want to miss. Now, of course, in this video, we're going to just touch base on everything you need to watch out for before June 12th. Let's get right into it. So of course, as you guys can see on my screen, this is the page and it says carefully here that Season 2 has officially concluded. The checkout opens 12 p.m. UTC June 12th. Now, of course, you guys know whenever an airdrop of a project like this is coming out, you're going to be seeing so many scam links left, right, center. So please only click on official links and be very careful. You do not want all of your hard work from Season 1, Season 2 to be put to waste. Now, of course, there's also so many exciting things you guys need to watch out for. So many exciting things. Now, you can already understand that SoSoValue has built a huge ecosystem of so many tools, like a brilliant ecosystem of so many tools. We have the SoDEX, we have the SSI indexes, we also have the ValueChain, the vaults, we also have SoSoValue's main page, right? So this all will be very interconnected, and I believe that in Season 3 there will be, the rewards will go more to people that will be very invested across the SoSoValue ecosystem. Now, do not think that this is the end. I mean, this project has been here for a very long time. They've paid out people very well in Season 1. I mean, Season 2 paid out people also from different parts of their airdrop systems, from everything I just mentioned, which I'm going to show you guys shortly right now. So you can see it says the EXP honor wall over here. You can see that I did not even participate in Season 1. I joined in Season 2. It says I got 7 million EXP, which is not a lot at all. I wasn't participating every day, but I know some of you out there really goated and we're grinding every freaking day. I think you need to put that same energy also into the Season 3 and already start grinding. Trust me, I think as things keep going on, it keeps paying out real huge. And of course, you guys can see real user level 4, EXP level 4. And they said something, NFT on ValueChain is coming soon. We in Web3, we already know that this is the NFT season. We're in the NFT season. So I do not really understand what they mean by NFT on ValueChain is coming soon. Let's see what it is going to mean. Now, of course, you guys already know that the real user verification was mainly the criteria for the reward. So of course, your XP will be put into account. And of course, the real user verification also would show that you are not CBIL and you are a high value user. So I'm thinking that people that have between 60, 100, 120 will be getting much more exposure to whatever rewards that they will be getting at the end of the day. But now it's time to check a little bit and see some few information about what is now on the SoSoValue ecosystem. Now, there's been so many things SoSoValue has updated on their platform. I feel like they're giving much more use cases to the EXP. Now we're going to be able to use the EXP to do lots of things. An example is the EXP ads function that just came out. For example, if you go all over to create ad, you guys are going to see AI era network of verified humans. Log in and launch your ads. And at the same time, people can verify the ads. For example, if you see daily tasks, you can claim today, I claimed 1,000. Starter Park, we've done this one already. Ads to review. So you can also review ads and you get rewards in also USDC. That is totally insane. But let's now go into another thing called the price action. I think we're now expecting the airdrop very soon. I mean, in June 12th will be the claim, and then after that, we're going to probably see the rewards or something. But then this is SoSoValue, and this is how it's currently doing on the market. So all-time high was when that was in 2025. SoSoValue was trading at 0.88, and in my opinion, this looks like a project that in a couple of years you guys are going to see it at the best of its abilities, because it has had so many useful people come on board. And me personally, I'm planning to even make this kind of project my one go-to app for my DEXs, for staking, and for DeFi and everything. So like, because I really love it. And they have been rewarding lots of people so far. So I feel like more people need to start using this holistically and not just because of rewards. But so far, we can see SoSoValue is currently trading at 0.334. Current fully diluted volume is 300 million. The total supply is 1 billion. As you can see, price action is not the best, but we understand that the whole market currently has been tanking. But I'm still pretty much bullish on it. So I'm just going to click bullish. And you guys can see lots of people are already making posts about it. If you're farming SoSoValue, read this. Snapshot was taken yesterday. That was at the end of May. And SoSoValue even made their own post as well. AI build-a-thon with 2 is live. So this is a very active ecosystem. Loving everything they've been building from day one, and really, really looking forward to increasing, for example, my stakes on the platform because I enjoy it. And I think if you guys go to indexes, good. As you can see, this is also the SoSoValue index, which is also something that I've been enjoying for a very long time. I've not been deploying lots of fun in there, but I've just been loving how they have been, engaging this platform since day one. Now, of course, I'm very, very sure that the season 3 will be more like a combination of all of these factors. But let's see what I've even got, because I've not come here for a very long time. Let's see, what do we have in the portfolio? Let's see. So we've got $54. We've been staking this for a very long time. 1 day change, 27, 30-day change plus 26. So probably we just got rewarded with some SoSo, or I don't know. Let's see. Let's go to rewards. And good. Airdrop window, June 2026. As you guys can see, loyalty points is here, boost points is here, SLP vault is here. So I think, guys, I don't think you need too many applications. You just need one very good. Of course, it's always nice to spread your bags all over. But I'm thinking like if you actually are engaging with SoSoValue ecosystem, you'll be getting rewarded a whole lot. It's enough. Like there's the SoSoValue indexes, there's the DEX where you can trade. There's also SoSoValue points, farming system. There's literally everything out here that you need. So, and I'm looking forward, and I'm saying that this has a huge, huge potential. So this is something to look into it. So of course, season 3 has started already. It's time for you guys to start clicking once again, making lots of points. And if you've not gotten referrals, you need to share your link out there and, onboard people, make people see what they're missing, what they could actually be investing in, and a very solid ecosystem out here. And also, one more thing I would like to know is put in the comment sections your EXP for season 2. As you can see, mine is very small, only 7 million EXP. So I'd like to see us in the comment section, and we're going to battle it out this season 3 because I'll be grinding it massively. So thanks so much, guys, for watching. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.